Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix expired and unlicensed Adobe Photoshop error. So first is search on Windows Defender. Windows Defender. And then hit enter. Here go to advanced settings. Wait for it to load up. And here on inbound rules, create a new rule. Click on next. Then select the Photoshop. Click on browse. Go to this PC, local disk, go to Adobe, and here as you can see I have my Adobe Photoshop here. Click on open, then click on here, open. Click on next. Now, check the block the connection, then next, and input a name. For example, let's put Adobe. There you go, and click on finish. Now as you can see, it is here. Now if there are other rules about the Adobe Photoshop, simply delete it, except this one. Next one is the outbound rule. Just do the same thing, create a new rule, click on next, this program. Now select the program again, click on Photoshop, click on next, block the connection, next again, next, and input the name again. Adobe. And that's basically it. And as you can see here, here's the one that I made. Again, delete any other rule except this one and this one. And that's basically it.